I don't want to call
They
him.
got out of the house.
Yeah, I'm not gonna call him that either.
But do we believe him? Eddie Mae.
I guarantee you do right.
Have you all been officially introduced?
Well, I think that's what happened. I think Taco was running around with another white dog.
It look good?
Very good. Looks delicious. A lot of work. It's very nice of you to do.
And I got it all to come out together all at one time to be nice and warm.
Oh, yeah.
I took a big bite of it. It's good, you know. I looked at that meat, I didn't recognize it. I couldn't ignore that was it. Ew. Yeah, that's what scares me about this. You never know what kind of meat. Where we empty that trash up to the smell of all. Here one time, said it looked like. One of them don't want to eat. They'll be saying, was they not down there yesterday that we wasn't allowed to?
No, I don't believe you. I don't believe you could, look at this.
This is Jerome's.
Yeah, I'm sure that's Jerome. Yeah, he's over there. You didn't even leave him any.
That was a dinner for the night.
Miracle themselves.
They just kept that board full all night long.
Okay, I'm gonna make movie stars out of all of y'all.
We'll all stay here.
And here's Betty and Doris not saying a word. They just eat.
Busy eating.
He wanted to fly fixed wing when he went in, but there,
Well, Doris, you know, after these,
many more helicopters.
he's waiting to go to the show afterwards now.
Right.
They were loading up
We're
with
doing
it.
all.
Oh, Lord help. I hope the National Park section. Yeah.
I got it all, man. I got y'all all on film. I got every one of you.